Hi, Marion Walker. It's Miss Hamilton. I just wanted to check in and see how everyone's doing. I hope everybody is well. I'm missing seeing everybody at school. But I just want to take this time to talk to you a little bit about mindfulness. And I know that it's something we do to start each guidance lesson, and we start our mornings every day with a mindful minute on the announcements. And also on Wednesdays, I know that Miss Krisch sees some of you during her mindful mornings there. I actually had the opportunity to go for a walk with Mrs. Krisch and Mrs. Carroll and Mrs. Cernuska the other day. We definitely kept our distance and we're not too close, but we did enjoy a nice little nature walk and were able to take a mindful walk while we were doing that. Mrs. Krisch and I recorded a little demonstration for you on how you could do a mindful walk or go outside and look around. Mrs. Krisch will talk to you a little bit in our video that we did together about 3, 2, 1, and that's 3 things you see, 2 things you hear, and 1 thing you feel, and how you can focus on that, and that's a way to help block out distractions, any uncomfortable feelings. So I'm going to let you see our little video that we made while we were on our walk together. It's Miss Hamilton here with Miss Krisch. We just went on a nice little nature walk today together.
And we're being mindful now. And I told some of you during our Wednesday morning mindfulness that I sometimes sit in the woods and I do mindfulness. And so today we're going to do the 3, 2, 1 mindfulness. And that's 3 things that you see, 2 things that you hear, and 1 thing that you feel. So, Miss Hamilton, why don't you start and tell the 3 things that you see while we're here in the woods?
Yeah, so I noticed how the sun has started to go down and now is coming to the trees. And I also noticed a lot of different leaves as we were walking and the different colors that the leaves all have. And I also noticed that there's a lot of water places that we go. So it's nice just to watch and see how that is moving. And if you look close enough, I was able to see some, I think they were brookie browns. Is that right, Miss Carol?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, so I noticed some fish as well.
So 2 things that I heard is if you're listening closely in the video, you can hear there's a little stream babbling along right beside us, and that's a really nice sound. We've also heard different kinds of birds while we were walking today. And let's do 1 thing that we feel.
Yeah, so I feel the wind. Sometimes it was a little bit windier earlier, but right now it's just nice and cool, so I feel that on my skin.
So if you're having getting outside while you're off school, you can be mindful too and you can do it in your backyard, you can do it when you're on a walk, or if you get into the woods, you can also do it in the woods. So it's 3, 2, 1. 3 things you see, 2 things you hear, and 1 thing you feel. Have a nice day.